Good afternoon, viewers. It's 4 p.m. and all the food carts are coming out now, all the street foods. Today I'm going to show you a few of my favourites. I'm also going to show you where you can get the best bread, and it's off the streets, it's not in any store. And I'm also going to show you a guy who's got a bakery stuck in a tricycle. Yeah, unbelievable. Watch till the end to see that one. The first place I'm going to show you is here on the Sal Avenue, just near LaSalle University. And this place, this is where you get the best pita bread. Hello, pita bread. Isa lang. Isa lang.
Without hummus?
Wala hummus. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Di. Okay, pizza bread done. Next thing I'm gonna buy is chicharon. And what are they selling here? Tuna and mambonok, which is blue marlin, I think. And tuna. You can buy all sorts from the streets these days. And here's my chicharon man. Apparently the best chicharon comes from Cebu. Chicharon, pila?
145.
Isa lang.
Pag 5, tag 40.
Isa lang.
Isa lang, 45.
This is from Cebu, huh?
Oh, Cebu, Tagkar.
Tagkar.
Cebu.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I've shown you where to get the best pita bread. I've also shown you where to get the best chicharon. Just going past LaSalle University here. There's also a good place for bread here on the left. But I'm not going here today. I'll show you where it is. They have pan de sal. They have Spanish bread. But I'm going to get some pan de sal in a while. But this place is a good option if you're in this area, just by LaSalle. And this chicken place is always busy. Need to try this. Next time, another video. Where I'm heading now is in Greensville. Is it Greensville? Well, it's on the main road from Homesite going up to Fortune Town. Here on the map, it's just by the Lady of Candles, Capitol Heights. There's a new fish market opened up here on the right recently. Sells fish, and on the other side, vegetables. And here we are, a bakery inside a tricycle. Oh, bago luto. Pila isa to? Pila isa? And what he sells for only a couple of pesos each are these little tiny pan de sal breads full of malungay. It's actually malungay bread. 50. And this guy, he's got a whole bakery on the side of a tricycle. He's got his oven in the middle. He's got his stocks in there on the right. Here's his gas bottles to power the oven, all on the side of his tricycle. And there, he's got his little warming oven at the back, with all his freshly cooked warm bread. These are a bargain. And malungay bread's really healthy for you. Malungay is this funny little leaf which grows pretty much anywhere. Thank you. So that's a bakery on a tricycle, guys. Only in the Philippines. And for 50 pesos, I go home with a huge bag of bread. And this is what I've got from Karkar Cebu, chicharon. From Tita Pita's, pita bread. And this is the malungay pandesal, only 2 pesos. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, more videos on the way.